Woo, it's hot out here. Hi, I'm Randy Murphy with Metro Express Service Air Conditioning and Heating, one of the largest air conditioning and heating companies here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I want to talk to you about the summer heat because we're already in the summer heat and the Trane product line. This is an XLI 20 behind me. This is the top of the line Trane, and you know what the saying goes, it's hard to stop a train, and that's exactly what you need in this Texas heat. If we come through the bedroom, we're going to need a chase to put our duct into down this wall.
Okay, that's a good idea.
I can drop down with the duct, go right through that side wall with the chase.
Okay, fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Well, shoot, yeah, thank you.
We are the air conditioning company for Texas Flip and Move and have been for 11 seasons. We also use the Trane product for them, just like the unit I have over my shoulder here. We do all the air conditioning on the show, no matter what they're doing, whether it's a complete system or a mini split, we're there to do it for them. When you use Metro Express service, one of our technicians show up to your house, you can expect that technician to treat your home like they would treat our home. We are a family-owned company, and it's been 32 years now we've been in business. Whether it be a basic preventative maintenance service or an actual service call where something's broke, or you're wanting a new piece of equipment, you can always rely on Metro Express service to come through for you. So call us today at 817-516-0700 or 972-263-2500, or look us up online at mes-ac.com. Our family looks forward to working with your family. I'm Randy Murphy. We'll see you soon.